They were standing right there at the front door when it came crashing down. One of the trees knocked into another one, and then the big tree fell on top of the cars.
It's like laid out well. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 5 cars out here. Just smashed all of my car. You can see the truck out there. It's beat. Probably saved the ladies in the red cars alive, because that's the one that got just caved in the top of their car and pulled them out. And it was pretty chaotic. About 2 feet of water out here. Throughout the property, it was just like a lake. It's like an instant destruction, pretty much.
Scary. Hail and ordinary. It have hail, and the water come down very hard. It rip up the screen, and also rip up the screen on the patio door.
Well, this building over here, C building, it's from the top down, it's pretty well smashed in. All the power boxes on the side are pushed into the wall. And, it's pretty bad.
Wow, you feel like a tornado or something, because of how it's shaking too.
Furniture, they have a huge selection.
It was some storm.